Hello there. Welcome to the Ingredient Channel, where I share easy to follow homemade Chinese recipes. Recently, cooking shrimp stuffed mushrooms has been trendy in Chinese social media, so I decided to join the force and create this simple and unique recipe that certainly delivers. How yummy is it? Please follow me and try. 1 box of white button mushrooms. Wash thoroughly. Gently remove the root to create a little bowl for the shrimp stuffing. Remove the dark and dirty end of the root. Throw it away. Chop the roots and mash them with the shrimp. For the amount of mushrooms I used, about 5 large shrimps, peeled and deveined. The rule of thumb is the amount of shrimp should be equal to the size of the mashed mushroom roots. Chop and mash. One teaspoon of white pepper powder. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce. 1 egg white. Keep the yolk as we will use it later. 1 teaspoon of starch and 2 teaspoons of cooking oil. Mix in one direction until the shrimp gets sticky. Stuff the mushrooms with the shrimp paste. Make sure the paste sticks out for about half a centimeter. In a bowl, with half a teaspoon of starch and 1 tablespoon of water, add the egg yolk. Mix well. Dip the bottom of the mushroom in the yolk mix. This will create a beautiful yellow bottom. Air fry 400 Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes or until the shrimp paste gets brown. For the sauce, 3 tablespoons of cold water, 1.5 teaspoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of starch, mix. In a heated pan, 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, pour the sauce mixture in, bring to a boil, switch off the heat, and drizzle on top of the mushrooms. Last step, add some scallion rinds for garnishment. Enjoy. It is tender, a little crisp, and very juicy with a very strong taste of shrimp and mushroom mixture, of course. Pour a glass of white wine. Yummy. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Try it and let me know your thoughts in the comments. Remember to like and subscribe. As always, thank you for your support, and I will see you around.